What do you use your blender for? Crush smoothies, whip up sauces, or replace half your kitchen tools? Some blenders specialize while others do it all. The Ninja, Foodi SS401 and Vitamix 5200 are both full-size, high-performance machines built for people who take their blending seriously. One is a modern multitasker packed with features. The other is a no-frills classic used by chefs worldwide. Hi, I'm Liz from Best Reviews. Let's see how they compare in performance, ease of use, and value. Don't forget to like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe so you never miss a video from us. The Ninja Foodi blew us away. It made silky smooth smoothies, thick nut butters, and even a perfect salsa using its food processor attachment and chop preset. A clear 10 out of 10. The Vitamix 5200 kept pace. Its 2-horsepower motor delivered flawless textures, though it takes more hands-on effort. Still, for results alone, it got a 10 out of 10. The Ninja gives you presets, variable speed, and attachments, but it takes some learning. We recommend reading the manual if you're new. Once you're familiar, it's fun and rewarding. We gave it a 7 out of 10. The Vitamix keeps it simple. Flip a switch and turn a dial. No presets, no digital controls, just reliable performance. It earned an 8 out of 10. The Ninja runs quieter than expected for its size, about 83 decibels, and didn't interrupt conversation. We gave it a 9. The Vitamix, very loud. It hit nearly 98 decibels on high. It's rock solid, but not ideal for blending early in the morning. It scored a 7. The Ninja's detachable blades and dishwasher parts make cleanup very easy. No dedicated clean button, but smoothie mode with soap and water works well. A 10 out of 10. Vitamix also cleans easily with soap and water, but the fixed blade and lack of a cleaning cycle makes things a little more tricky. It earned a 9 out of 10. The Vitamix is built like a tank, durable and made to last. Its tall design may not fit under low cabinets, and it's not flashy, but it works. We gave it a 7. The Ninja feels solid and looks sleek, but the plastic lids and some long-term complaints about wear and tear dropped it to an 8. The Ninja is perfect if you want a do-it-all system, a blender, food processor, and meal prep tool in one. The Vitamix 5200 is for anyone who wants raw power, manual control, and a blender that stood above the test of time. If you want versatility, value, and features galore, the Ninja is a great choice. If you want legacy performance and control, the Vitamix 5200 is still a champion. Once again, I'm Liz from Best Reviews. Let us know in the comments what you're looking for in a blender, and check out the links below for the latest deals. See you next time.